Welcome back to my channel, Sunshine Shoulders. I'm Calvin. Thank y'all so much for stopping by again today. Doing the same things, expecting different results, is a recipe for disaster. I was going to name this video or this vlog, Stop Following the Followers Overseas, but the title's too long. It's not catchy enough. But one of the reasons that I believe men are having better outcomes over here in different places is we realize that everyone has their own path. What works for you may not work for me. Okay, these vlogs are only a guideline. Nothing set in stone, guys. There's no blueprint for a successful life abroad. They're only basics, health, residual income, or if you got mega bucks. But we continue to do what everyone else is doing, thinking we're going to do it better. And it's a disaster. The script is usually something like this. This is how every one of us, certainly in the Philippines, start out. We start chatting online. We meet somebody, start chatting online. We start sending money. We make the trip. We move in together. We either get married or have children. Then we run into a brick wall. And that could mean losing our life savings, going broke, getting used, heartbroken, bored, loneliness creeps in because we're doing what we see other men do. People always get on my case. They're like, Cal, everything you talk about, you did. Exactly. So why do you continue to do the things that I did? If you can sit there and watch and say, damn, Cal did everything wrong, then why would you follow me then? 98% of my videos are about me. But this is what happens. We come over here and we do exactly the same thing that we see other people doing. Like what, Cal? Well, like I said, you're going to have all types of different choices. But nobody knows you better than you. Do you want to be single or in a relationship? Okay, and then when you're talking about a relationship, what are you talking about? Live-in or marriage? You want to date younger women or more mature women? Single mothers or women with no children? These are decisions you're going to have to make. Don't do it because I did it. Are you going to live in the city or the province? There are no rules, guys. Only the rules that you make for yourself. Remember, we're in retirement. I told you I only got 2 rules. I obey the law wherever I am, and I don't violate the rights of my fellow man, but everything else is fair game. People don't understand that I've been living in St. Carlos City for 7 years. That's my choice. But now all of a sudden, I decided that, you know what? I want to do something different. I grew up in the city. The city life is calling me. So why not spend some time in the city? Cebu City or Metro Manila. Those other cities aren't going to do it for me. I need everything these places have to offer. As you can see in the background, this is the Venice Grand Mall, Grand Canal Mall, I believe they call it. It's either in Makati or BGC. I'm not real familiar with the area, but it's a real nice place. See, I need all of this right now. But I didn't move to the small city or the province because I was following somebody else. Yeah, I was following Maryland, but not another expat. Am I going to be a part-time expat or a full-time expat? Just because you see somebody else staying over here every single day doesn't mean you have to do it. There's guys who do 3 months here, 9 months at home, 6 and 6, 8 and 4. Whatever it is, it's going to be your decision. Do what's best for you, guys. You hear people all the time, it's become a recurring theme. Just get your ass over here. That's the only way you're going to figure it out. But you're certainly going to have to stop following other followers, people who don't even know where they're going. It's the blind leading the blind, ladies and gentlemen. Where are you going to retire anyway? Is it going to be the Philippines, Vietnam, Colombia, Brazil, Africa? The choice is yours. Make your own decisions. You going to meet the woman on the dating site or just a casual meeting in the mall? Because there's a difference. It's a big difference, man. Yeah, the culture's the same over here. But the women you meet on the dating site and the women that you can meet at a mall like this are like night and day. You will literally see Miss Universe types in these malls. Things that the Philippines are known for. Beautiful women. You're going to see them here in these malls right here. The women that we meet on the dating site, they've got an edge to them. Okay? They're looking for a come up. That may be the case with the woman on the street, but you're going to get a different type of experience. But this is a decision you got to make. Don't let nobody make that decision for you, because that's another thing we want to do. We want to blame the vloggers. When shit goes wrong, we want to blame somebody else. Are you going to be a Joe or are you going to be a John? Are you going to settle down, and do the same things that you were doing over in your country? Or are you going to come over here and stick and move? Stand them up and knock them down. Go to the bars. That's up to you. But doing the same things that you seeing other people do and fail and expecting different results, thinking you're going to do it better, is a recipe for disaster. So thank y'all so much for stopping by. I'm sitting in here by the swimming pool. This is our last day. Well, on vacation anyway. We'll be traveling tomorrow in Metro Manila. I love it, man. I'm coming back June the 7th because I've got a appointment with the U.S. Embassy on June the 8th to get boobies situated. And I love it here, man. I'm not following anybody up here. This is a decision I made on my own. Okay? Find it in your heart to help somebody. Not a day goes by that I don't help somebody. Because if I don't know anything else, I know this one thing for sure. When we help other people, we help ourselves. Take care. Stay safe. Stay out of trouble. I'll see you next time. And don't do anything stupid. Stop following these followers. These guys don't even know what they're doing. They're stumbling around. Losing. They have no idea, no more of an idea of what they're doing than you do. Are you going to get your money from the ATM? Are you going to remit it to yourself, or are you going to have a bank transfer? Are you going to rent or buy or build? The decision is yours, ladies and gentlemen. One of the reasons I believe men are having better results over here is we realize that everybody has their own path. What works for you may not work for me. But we continue to do what everyone else is doing, thinking that we're going to do it better. And it's a train wreck, guys. There's no blueprint for a successful life abroad. Yeah, have good health. Have a residual income. Or if you've got the mega bucks. But doing the same things, expecting different results, it's a recipe for disaster, ladies and gentlemen. These vlogs are only a guideline. Nothing set in stone. Get your butt over here. That's the only way you're going to figure stuff out. your mouth. Fix your mouth.
Tarong lang.
Come on. Y'all act like a jeepney. You act like a jeepney, stopping every 5 feet. Let me see. Wow, look at this. Yeah, it's nice. Look at the background. It's too hot right now for that. You can go in. No. Keep going around.
Boots on the ground, don't do nothing stupid. Give that man his flowers, a tribute through music. If I don't know nothing